everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put together an alto saxophone. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This here is an alto saxophone, and it comes with a few different pieces, and putting them together is actually fairly simple and straightforward. You will need all of the following pieces. You'll need the body of the alto saxophone. You'll need the neck for the alto saxophone. You will also need the mouthpiece for the alto saxophone. This one has a guard over it, but this is what the mouthpiece looks like. Give me a moment, I'll take the guard off over here, just like this. This little piece right here is called the ligature. You'll need that as well. And you'll also need a reed, which I'll show you in a moment, and then the neck strap. Now, the neck strap is optional, but really you need to use one, okay? So the first thing that you want to do, I'm gonna place this to the side over here. The first thing that you want to do is put the mouthpiece onto the neck piece. So right here, this is the neck piece right here. You want the mouthpiece to go on the neck piece. Very simple. You just take this, and this is a cork piece over here. Now you can use some cork grease if it's hard to put on, but really you just take this and you kind of just wedge it on there, and you can sort of twist it sort of back and forth until it is nice and firmly in place on there. Very, very simple, okay? I'm gonna turn it around, very, very simple. Really, really easy to do, okay? That's it for this part, okay? The next thing that you wanna do is actually get your neck strap, which is this piece right here, and they come in a variety of different styles, but really it just has a clip on it. Now on the back of your alto saxophone, you're gonna see a little hook over here. There's the hook. And we're gonna take the neck strap and we are going to clip it onto the hook. So I'm gonna take the neck strap and I'm just gonna clip it onto the hook, just like this. And now I can strap this on myself and I don't have to worry about it falling. I don't have to worry about holding it. It is good to go, just like that, okay? The next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna put the neck with the mouthpiece attached to it on the alto saxophone. It's actually easy to do. Now, there is a screw right here, and this screw should be loosened just a little bit. That will allow you to put the neck on there. So I'm gonna put the neck on there, okay? And the shape of the saxophone is like this. It goes down, it comes up, and then the bell is away from you, right? The neck is gonna be pointed towards you. The bell is away from you, the neck will be pointed towards you. I'm gonna take the neck, and I'm gonna insert it right here, give it a little twist, okay? Make sure that this piece right here, let me show you closer. Make sure that this piece right here goes inside of this little loop, because that is a controlling part, okay? So the neck is now in place, and we're gonna tighten that screw that we loosened. And you don't need it to be super tight, just tighten it enough so that it's not gonna go anywhere. Very, very simple and straightforward. Now, that's it, your alto sax is assembled, but what you also wanna do is put your reed in place. So for your reed, while you're doing this whole process of setting it up like this, you're gonna wanna keep the reed in your mouth. Okay, the thin part of the reed over here, the thin part goes in your mouth like that. And that's because you need your reed to be wet in order to make some sounds with the alto sax, okay? When it's wet, what you wanna do is take your ligature, loosen some of those screws, and pull it up, okay? Place your reed against it like that, against the mouthpiece like that. And you want the reed to be flat against the mouthpiece. You can put the reed the wrong way and there's gonna be a gap right there. There's a gap right there. Flip it around. You want the reed to be flat against the mouthpiece, okay? And take your ligature, and basically your ligature, you can also see there's a wider part and a thinner part. And if it's loose enough, you can probably just place it right on top of it. If not, loosen it a little bit more, put it on top of the reed and the mouthpiece, and tighten those screws so it's held in place. And you now have assembled your alto saxophone. Now my reed isn't wet, so I'm probably not gonna be able to play many sounds, okay? But essentially, that's it. Really easy to do. And I'm not even great. I'm a beginner, but as you can see, actually really easy to do. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.